Connect the power to enter the standby configuration. It takes around 30 seconds to turn on the camera.
Please configure your camera by AP hotspot or scanning code.
Click Add icon, select Smart Camera and Device Adding by scanning the code. View the app tips, click Next after completing the steps, then enter your Wi-Fi password. Align the displayed QR code to the camera lens until the camera makes a beep sound. Click beep or flashing lights, then wait it to be connected.
Please wait for Wi-Fi connecting. Please wait for internet connecting. Internet connected. Welcome to use cloud camera.
Successfully connected, the camera will be online. Select Add by AP Hotspot, click Next after completing the steps. Connect the phone to the Wi-Fi named Cloudcom and return to the app. Click Next, select your Wi-Fi and enter the Wi-Fi password, then wait for the connection.
Please wait for Wi-Fi connecting. Please wait for internet connecting. Internet connected. Welcome to use cloud camera.
Successfully connected. The camera will be online. Enter directly connecting mode in the login interface. Connect the phone to the Wi-Fi named Cloudcom and return to the app. Enter the username YCC365, password 0123456. Username needs to be capitalized. Now you can preview the image.